Hey everyone, looking for a delicious and natural way to give your metabolism a boost? Well, today we're making a refreshing kiwi and cinnamon smoothie that's packed with nutrients to kickstart your day. Let's get blending. First up, let's talk about why these ingredients are amazing. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, which help digestion and support your immune system. And cinnamon, it's known to regulate blood sugar levels and enhance metabolism, making it a fantastic addition to your smoothie routine. For this metabolism-boosting smoothie, you'll need 2 ripe kiwis, peeled and sliced, 1 banana for natural sweetness, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt for protein, 1/2 cup of almond milk or any milk of your choice, a handful of ice cubes to keep it cool. Now let's put it all together. Add your kiwis, banana, cinnamon, Greek yogurt and almond milk into the blender. Toss in some ice cubes for that refreshing chill. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also packed with metabolism-boosting goodness. It's perfect for breakfast, post-workout, or even as a midday pick-me-up. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more easy and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.